This little cutie is Sam. He has a big personality to go along with his big ears. Sam has been smelling and sniffing and exploring everything in here. He's been enjoying some time off leash in our lecture hall, and he just loves it. He's definitely looking for a home that will play with him. Maybe buy him some toys of his very own. Let him play in a big fenced-in backyard. He would absolutely love that. Sam also loves going for nice long walks. He's got that curious side, so he wants to walk with you and explore his new neighborhood. While he's been here at the Humane Society, he does prefer to go to the bathroom outside, and he walks very nicely on his leash. In addition, Sam is a very friendly, affectionate little dog. He likes people, likes to be petted and scratched, so he's kind of the best of both worlds. He's looking for someone to cuddle with him, but definitely looking for someone to play with him as well. This little guy is just a cutie from the inside out. He's going to make someone a terrific new little companion.